only in Newsday. Newsday examines an expensive teacher discipline system and why punishment can take years. Read the latest at newsday.com.
I think it's just unfair to any student that has lower income.
At Adelphi University and college campuses across the country,
the pressure that it would add on students is a lot, because then they have to now find other ways to make that money.
A new financial reality is hitting many students in their wallets.
But I know for a lot of people it's affecting them mentally and economically, because some people are paying out of pocket.
On Monday, the Trump administration announced that starting May 5th, the Education Department will start collecting on student loans in default. It's a first since the government paused loan collection efforts in 2020 as pandemic relief. Some 42 million borrowers owe more than $1.6 trillion in student debt, according to the Department of Education.
Student loan borrowers need clarity, and we're finally giving it to them. Borrowers will now be clearly expected to repay their loans, and those who default on their loan obligations will face involuntary collections.
Under the plan, the federal government will garnish wages from some of those borrowers, pulling money out of their pockets that may otherwise be spent.
No doubt there will be some adverse impact.
Experts say resuming student debt collections at a time of increased fears of a possible recession will likely hurt the economy.
If there's less demand for goods and services, then that would end up translating to less production. Less production means typically less employment. So people lose their jobs, and then when people lose their jobs, there's less income and even less spending.
Those who default on student loans could also have federal pensions and tax refunds garnished. The Department of Education is urging borrowers in default to contact the Default Resolution Group to make a monthly payment, enroll in an income-driven repayment plan, or sign up for loan rehabilitation. For Newsday TV, I'm Virginia Huey.